Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use sum formula in Microsoft Excel program. You can see here some information I made for example and as a dummy. Here is the employee name, here is the time of their works, and here is their time of hours in the week, and here is the total hours. Now we will make the sum and totaling for all the weeks employee work. So enter the equal sign and type here sum and enter the open parentheses. Now select all the column. Now enter close parentheses. Now make enter. So we will get the result. And another way, you want to get the result and easy way to use the sum formula. Select the cell and click on Auto Sum. This symbol automatically add it up. Your total will appear after the selected cell. So click this one and make enter. So very easily you can get the total. So friends, by these two methods, you can get the total for columns and you can use the sum formula. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.